are you attacking the monkey?
Huh? He stole our honey hive from the tree.
Huh? Is it?
Yeah.
But I will make it alright. Please leave me now.
I'm so tired. Aw.
Guys, monkey will fix your hive. You please go now.
Okay, we're leaving.
Done. Your wound is covered. Now, go and fix the hive. Listen, honeybees are dangerous. Don't do this again, okay? I'm so sorry, guys. I will not do this again. Here, you can go inside. I'm a very good policeman, policeman, policeman. I caught the little thief and paid. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. The wheel hit on a very big frog, a very big frog, very big frog. We ran outside the cage we have. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Huh? Oh no! He escaped! You naughty thief! Stop! Saw a little pit out there, pit out there, pit out there. Just gonna run and hide in it. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. I know how to catch him now, catch him now, catch him now. I'm gonna get him out of there. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Hey, stop! Ha! I got you! Stop there, you little thief! Hey, Squirry, did you see a rat running this way?
Yes, he ran away that side.
Oh, thank you for the help, buddy! Hey, Lady Mousy, did you see a rat thief going around?
Yes, I did. I saw him going that way.
Oh, thank you so much!
Silly guy.
How do I find him? Hey, Chia, what are you searching for? I caught a rat thief and put him in my cage. But my jeep hit on a rock and he escaped. Oh, sad. Huh? Look! Those leaves! They're moving! Huh? There he is! He tricked us again! Come, let's catch him together! We are gonna chase him now, chase him now, chase him now, and run behind to catch him soon. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Johnny has a net and trap, net and trap, net and trap. We're gonna trap him using this. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. We got him! Oh, Johnny, thank you for the help. Oh, come on, it's okay. Bye-bye.
Hey, you monkey! Ha! I got you! The tires? Don't worry, buddy. Let's go to the mechanic. Hello? Mr. Mechanic? Are you here?
Yeah, I'm here. What can I do for you?
Look, my tires. I hit a stone and it broke. Could you make my buddy alright?
Oh, that's it? Don't worry. I'm gonna get you a new looking buddy. Yes, these big wheels. This fits good.
Wow, it looks nice. Thank you, Mr. Mechanic. Bye-bye. Oh, it's so huge and powerful. It's not safe for me here. Oh no, let me escape soon.
Oh, an emergency call from Mousy? I need to go fast. Huh? Who did this? Where is it going? Hey, you monkey thief! What are you doing? Give it back, you naughty! Huh? Ha! Yay! It's broken. Let me go to the mechanic. Hello, Mr. Mechanic. Look at my fire truck. The pipe is broken. Please make this all right. It will take some time. Please wait. Oh no! I got an emergency call. I have to reach there fast. Okay, don't worry. Wait a minute. I will fix a new one. Aw, it's cool. I like it. Okay, see you.
Thank you, buddy. You saved my stall. Hey guys, look! I caught the naughty monkey. Don't worry, he will not trouble us again. I'm going. Bye.
Here is the beehive with bees around the hive. The monkey watching it where nobody sees. There he took the sweet little hive from the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey guys, he stole our honey. Come, attack.
Please don't hurt me. Go away. Oh no.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, my sweet nuts. Today is a treat day. Huh?
Please move. Please move.
Oh. Huh? No, he's in big trouble. Huh? Let me inform the rescue team. Hey guys! Monkey's in trouble! It's a honeybee attack! Please come fast!
Come on, Dolly. Let's start the rescue. Uh-oh. So many bees around him. We need to save him fast. Huh. This is gonna work.
What is
Why are you attacking the monkey?
Huh? He stole our honey hive from the tree.
Huh? Is it?
Yeah.
But I will make it alright. Please leave me now.
I'm so tired.
Aw. Guys, monkey will fix your hive. You please go now.
Okay, we're leaving.
Done. Your wound is covered. Now, go and fix the hive. Listen, honeybees are dangerous. Don't do this again, okay? I'm so sorry, guys. I will not do this again. Here, you can go inside. I'm a very good policeman, policeman, policeman. I caught the little thief and take hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. The wheel hit on a very big frog, a very big frog, very big frog. He ran outside the cage we have hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Huh? Oh no! He escaped! You naughty thief! Stop! I saw a little pit out there, pit out there, pit out there. Just gonna run and hide in it. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. I know how to catch him now, catch him now, catch him